Podiman Studio.
How human can go far, building and creating amazing things that humans can ever made. And in today's video, the world's largest transport aircraft, passenger ship and transport vessels man have ever made. Seawise Giant, later Happy Giant, JAHRE Viking, KnockNevis, Optima, and Montana, was a ULCC supertanker that was the longest ship ever, built and constructed from 1974 to 1979 by Sumitomo Heavy Industries in Yokosuka, Kanagawa, Japan. It possessed the greatest deadweight tonnage ever recorded. Fully loaded, its displacement was 657,019 tons. In 2009, the world's largest and a Guinness-certified world record holder, tanker vessel retired and later in 2010 turned into a scrap. Symphony of the Seas is the largest passenger cruise ship in the world, operated by the Royal Caribbean International. It has a length of 1,184 feet, height of 72.5 meters, 18 decks, weight of 228,081 gross tons, 258,794 net tons, with a maximum of 22 knots per hour or about 41 kilometers per hour, powered by diesel-electric engine. It can accommodate more than 5,000 to more than 6,000 maximum capacity of passengers, 16 decks for guests, 22 restaurants, 4 swimming pool, and 2,759 cabins. The CSCL Globe is a container ship owned and operated by China Shipping Container Lines, based in Hong Kong, constructed by Hyundai Heavy Industries. The first of a class of 5 ships intended for Asia to Europe trade routes, it was the largest container ship in the world, launched in November 2014, with a maximum capacity of 19,120-foot containers. It has a length of 400 meters, 59 meters of beam, with a maximum speed of 22 knots, or 41 kilometers per hour, powered by MAN B&W diesel engine. The world's largest aircraft carrier, the U.S. Navy's Gerald Ford-class battleships. The first carrier in this class, USS Gerald Ford, constructed in 2005, laid down in 2009 and commissioned in May 2017. The USS Gerald Ford will be fully operational by 2020, features full load displacement of 100,000 tons and its 78 meters wide flight deck, features electromagnetic aircraft launch system as well as advanced arresting gear. This aircraft carrier is capable of carrying over 75 aircraft, and accommodating a total of 4,539 personnel with advanced and modern technology of engineering including defense system. It has a maximum speed of 30 knots or 56 kilometers per hour, powered by 2 AB nuclear reactor which can last up to 25 years without refueling. There are currently 4 remaining under construction with the same class. The Antonov AN-225 Mriya, a project designed by Antonov Design Bureau in Ukraine in the 80s during the days of the Soviet Union, AN-225 was designed to carry heavy payloads primarily for Russian space program, the Buran-class orbiter, a Russian space shuttle during the 80s. It can carry up to more than 200,000 kilograms of load. It is also the heaviest aircraft, which holds a world record, with a speed of 763.2 km/h, powered by 6 turbofan engines. Its length is 84 meters, with a wingspan of 290 feet, a height of 18.1 meters. Its weight with empty load is 285,000 kilograms and can reach a distance range of 15,400 kilometers. AN-225 first commercial flight was on January 3, 2002, from Germany to the Middle East in Oman, carrying cargo of goods for the American troops, and it is currently serving as commercial air cargo in different locations in Europe, Northern America and Asia. Airbus A380 is the world's largest double-deck passenger airliner, that can carry 525 up to 853 passengers as certified, and cargo maximum payload of 84 tons. It has a length of 72.72 meters, wingspan of 79.75 meters, height of 24.9 meters, with a width of 7.14 meters. Weighing about 277,145 kilograms of empty load weight. Airbus A380 has a cruise speed of 903 km/h powered by 4-engine Alliance GP7200 or Rolls-Royce Trent 900 turbofans, providing a range of 14,800 kilometers distance that can travel. Airbus A380 was a project started in the year 1988, its first flight took on 27 April, 2005, and introduced in 2007 with Singapore Airlines. Its primary users are the Emirates, Singapore Airlines, British Airways and Qantas Airlines. Antonov AN-124 Ruslan aircraft is developed and designed in Ukraine during the 80s, Soviet era. In service since 1986, the AN-124 Ruslan airplane is used by the Russian Air Force, and there are 55 of them still in use today. It is nicknamed Condor by NATO, and is still the largest military transport aircraft in the world. It has a maximum payload of 150 tons and can accommodate loads of all sizes and types, including combat vehicles, helicopters, Russian tanks, and much more. The AN-124 Ruslan has a cruising speed of more than 530 miles per hour and a maximum takeoff weight of more than 880,000 pounds, powered by 4 Progress D18T turbofan engines, and it has a wingspan of more than 240 feet. It can accommodate a crew of 6 people. And that's all for now. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe,